Welcome to chapter 5, your continuity and differentiability. We are here to discuss question number 7 of exercise 5.6. Our question number 7 is find dy by dx when x is equal to sine cube t upon under root cos 2t and y is equal to cos cube t upon under root cos 2t. You can see here in this x and y are given in the terms of t. So this is of parameter type. So we are here to work out first of all dx upon dt and dy by dt. We'll get dy by dx. अब देखिए जो आपका dy upon dx रहेगा वो आपका रहेगा dy upon dt and dx upon dt. So let us work out. It's given that y is equal to cos cube t upon under root cos 2t. When we differentiate this with respect to t, we get dy upon dt is equal to, we are going to apply the division rule, that is under root cos 2t, right? What is the differentiation of cos to the power 3t? ये आपका हो जाएगा 3 cos square t, और जब आप cos t का डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे तो ये आपको आ जाएगा माइनस साइन t. ओके, नाउ so what we have done, differentiation of cos to the power 3t आपका 3 cos square t and again d by dt of cos t, that is minus sin t. ये माइनस आपका हो जाएगा फॉर्मूले का अगेन cos cube t, d by dx of under root cos 2t will be 1 upon 2 under root cos 2t. cos 2t का डिफरेंशिएशन आपका हो जाएगा माइनस साइन 2t और 2t का डिफरेंशिएशन आपका हो जाएगा 2, the whole upon under root cos 2t का square, that will be cos 2t, right? So this is what we have got by differentiation by division rule. Then just cancel this term. So what you will get, इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करिए, ये आपका हो जाएगा cos 2t, this will be 3, यहाँ पे रख लीजिए cos square t sin t, and we can have here minus sign. Now just see minus and minus, this will be plus. We are here with sin 2t cos cube t, the whole upon, यहाँ पे देखिए cos 2t है जिसमें आपका स्क्वायर रूट cos 2t ऐड हो जाएगा. तो आप कैसे ऐड करेंगे देखिए, this will be cos 2t to the power half. So this takes the form cos 2t to the power 3 upon 2. Okay, so ये आपका डिनोमिनेटर में हो जाएगा cos 2t the whole raised to 3 upon 2, right? Now this we will keep as it is, minus 3 cos 2t की जगह हम लिख लेते हैं 1 minus, we can have in the terms of cos, this can be written as 2 cos square t minus 1, इसको ऐसे ही रहने दीजिए cos square t sin t plus, here this term can be written as 2 sin t cos t again cos cube t, the whole upon cos 2t 3 by 2, right? After this just see here, I am going to multiply here 3 into 2, 6. So I'll be getting dy upon dt is equal to minus 6 cos square into cos square, cos to the power 4t, again sin t, राइट. उसके बाद देखिए ये आपका -3 इंटू -1 करेंगे तो ये आपका +3 हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज योर +3 cos square t sin t, and this will be +2 sin t cos to the power 4t, right, upon this is cos 2t to the power 3 upon 2. Now you can see here आपका ये term, this term and this term is a like term, so we'll be having here -4 -6 and +2 -4 cos to the power 4t sin t plus 3 cos square t sin t upon cos to the power 2t to the power 3 by 2. Again now we can take here common. Just see, we can take, if I take here common, sin t and cos t, right? So what I will get? Can see here sin t and cos t, so I will be getting here 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t upon cos 2t the whole raised to 3 upon 2, right? So you can see here this takes the form sin t cos t. This is the formula for cos 3t upon cos 2t the whole raised to 3 upon 2. So this we have worked out dy by dt. Now let us keep the value of dy by dt. I am going to rub here. So what is my dy by dt? That is sin t cos t and cos 3t upon cos 2t to the power 3 by 2. Give it equation number 1. In the same way, we are going to work out for dx upon dt. X is given how much? Sin cube t upon under root cos 2t, right? So this takes the form dx upon dt is equal to under root cos 2t, ये आपका हो जाएगा 3 cos square t, and what is the differentiation of cos t? That is sin t, ये आपका हो जाएगा cos t, right? This is 3 sin squared, ये आपका 3 sin square होगा, 3 sin square t और sin t का डिफरेंशिएशन cos t. Now here minus sin cube t 1 upon 2 under root cos 2t, right? Again cos 2t का कितना हो जाएगा आपका minus sin 2t, and this is your 2 से 2 आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा. denominator will be same, cos 2t. अगेन जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई, ये आपको आ जाएगा cos 2t, 3 आप यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं, sin square t, cos t, minus minus plus, then this will be sin cube t. Sin 2t can be written as 2 sin t cos t upon, once again it will be the same, cos 2t the whole to the power 3 by 2, right? Again we can simplify. This is dx upon dt is equal to, here 3, just see here, in this we'll be having cos 2t can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square t, here sin square t cos t प्लस ये आपका हो जाएगा 2 sin टू द पावर 4 t cos t अपॉन cos 2t the whole raised to 3 by 2. Now again we'll multiply here. You can see this is 3 sin square t cos t minus 6 sin 4t cos t plus 2 sin 4t cos t upon cos 2t the whole raised to 3 upon 2. Again you can see that these two terms, ये दोनों टर्म आपके क्या है, like terms, so we'll be having here minus 4 sin 4t cos t plus 3 sin square t cos t upon cos 2t the whole raised to 3 by 2. Again we can take here common, minus sin t cos t. So when we take minus sin t and cos t, what we get is 4. You can see here 4 sin cube t minus 3 sin t upon cos 2t the whole raised to 3 by 2. Here it becomes minus sin t cos t. This is the formula for sin 3t, sin 3t upon cos 2t the whole raised to 3 by 2. Now dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt the whole upon dx upon dt. So this takes the form sin t. You can give this as equation number 2. So it is sin t cos t cos 3t upon minus sin t cos t and sin 3t. You can see here these terms will be cancelled, and so this takes the form minus cot 3t. So this is our dy by dx. Now one more thing to understand is both is having the denominator same, that is why when you divide this get the cancelled. So what is your dy by dx? That is equal to minus cot 3t. Thank you.